Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And oh my goodness, look at, I've got so much. This was a huge haul for me. So let's go ahead and see what all I've got. I went purposely to another Dollar Tree. You guys, this one is in Desert Ridge area. I don't know where it would be called. I guess it might be Phoenix. It could be Glendale. You never know. But anyways, this one is off of Union Hills and 7th Street. So if you are in Arizona, this is by far the best one. I literally passed 4 Dollar Trees to get to this one because they always have what I'm looking for and more. I didn't know what I wanted. But I did find, look at this, it's a little pumpkin, and look how long this is. That has to be 24 inches at least. Yeah, at least. So, how cute is that? What else did I get? Oh, I got another pair. Some stuff I just got because I needed new. I just got a new pair of little reader glasses. Look at this. It is for a candle, but does that not say DIY? Like, it screams DIY, right? I don't know why or what it'll be, but it'll be something good. I also picked up 2 of these little gnomes. How cute. So they didn't have any love like the gnomes. I don't know if you've seen the gnomes that are for the kitchen. They didn't have any of that there, but I was telling the lady, I said, you guys have the best stuff. So I picked up 2 of these, and don't ask me why. It's for organizing, but I remember seeing a video of someone using these to organize with, and I said, okay, I'll give it a try. So we'll see what happens. I'll let you know. I also found that in a truck, same little guy, adorable, right? And the snowman said joy, that one said Noel. What else do we have? Oh, crystal clear tape. Picked up some of this. I've never used the brand of tape before, so we'll see what happens. This, again, DIY, because look at that. It says Hello World. It's got this great little tassel, some beads on it, and this little cloud, but I think it could be made into something else, or it would be a great little topper for a gift for a baby shower. Again, gnomes. Look at this. Gnome for the holidays. Isn't that cute? I love it so much. What else? There's so much. It's like Christmas all on my own here. All right, I got this. It is like wallpaper, but I only got 1 sheet, and it is so I could put it on my desk, and so that it gives a nice background when I'm doing some of my crafts. So I hope that works out. Oh gosh, I have a whole other bag over here. I just saw this bag. Telling you, I have a lot of stuff. All right, I found this. This is my second one. They didn't have it in clear, but the one I have is in clear, but I found the pink, and let me show you why I use it, because these fit in there perfectly. Isn't that cool? So it holds your glues. So you can stand it up like that, and you can have your glues in there, and it's going to be facing the right way. So I keep this in a drawer just like this, and then I keep all my different glues in there like that. So when I saw them, I grabbed one. I almost grabbed multiples for my class, but I did not because I wasn't sure how many people were going to be in the class. All right, now this is Christmas stuff. I don't think this is, no, but this is so pretty. I love fall most of all. Isn't that cute? I thought that was adorable. I also, the thing about Dollar Tree is when you find like an ornament or almost anything, if you find something that you like, you have to grab it regardless of the season, because if I waited till Christmas, this little guy's gonna be gone. It'll probably be gone by the time I go back next week or something. You guys, look at these. They're little gnome LED lights. How cute is that? Again, back to the ornaments. You gotta grab them while they're there. It's a little ski lift. These ones, DIY for sure. Harvest, Blessings, and Hello Pumpkin. They are little ornaments, but I'm pretty sure they'll be made into something cute. All right, we have the snowman, we have the truck, and the tree. So is that cute? I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. And then this little guy, this says Harvest Blessings on it. It has the truck. I love the color of the truck and the little pumpkins on it. I don't know if this will be DIY'd, but it is adorable as is. Picked up a couple of these. Again, I wanted to pick up so many more, but I decided to leave them and not get them. But how cute would these be on a gift wrap? It says Merry Christmas. This one says Holly and Jolly. But you know what? You could paint right over them, sand it down, paint right over them, and it could say whatever you want on there. What else is in here? So much stuff. They're so crafty at this store. I did get a little hair thing. That's the official term, in case you were wondering. Also a lighter. Tip on the lighters, make sure you look to see that this is full and it has a full thing of butane. If it does not, then just look for another one. I'm gonna be redoing, oh, I'm dropping bags. I'm gonna be redoing my makeup, and I grabbed a couple of these. So these are gonna just fit in a drawer. And right now I have all my makeup in a big makeup case, but I don't use everything. Did you get a whole glimpse of my back desk area? That thing changes all the time. I also picked up a black candle. No smell, completely unscented, but it's black, and I thought that was cool, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but again, I thought it was cool. I think I could do something with it. What else did we get? I do not need this, but it's a little cutting mat. I have huge cutting mats. I have medium-sized cutting mats. I even have a small cutting mat, but I don't have one this size. So I got it. They're just one of those self-healing type mats. So we'll see. I also got some little tea lights. You always need tea lights. These are changing color. And then these guys here are the regular tea lights. 2 more things left in that bag. And then I've got 2 more bags. Told you, this is a big one for me. We've got this permanent writable white sticker. So I'm gonna open it because I don't know, what does that mean to you? Put in the comments before I open it, what does that mean to you if you don't know what it already is? So let's look. Ah, see, I didn't know if it was those type of stickers or what it was. I bet if I would have read right here now that I'm seeing it, because I stood and looked at it and I had no clue. But I'm not one of those that open like in there. I guess I probably could have, but then you get that little tear mark. I'm not good at opening stuff. I just tear it. You guys, it's one long roll of sticker. So I guess that could probably go in like the Cricut, to have the Cricut design a sticker for you. There we go. Maybe that's what that's for. Create your own peel and stick label using pens or markers. Ideal for use on craft cutting machines. So there you go. Not for use on inkjet printer. So there you go. It's a large, huge sticker. All right, tier tray people, look at this. Is it a candle? It is a candle, but I'm not gonna use it as a candle. I'm gonna unwrap that thing and put it on my tiered tray. And look how cute, it's just an acorn. They had it in white, they had it in brown, and then they have this one in like a nice caramel color. All right, we are down to our second to last bag. This is kind of stuff that is new and old all at the same time. Am I going lower? I think my thing is going lower. Anyways, I got 2 of these. I grabbed 2 of them. And these are bigger than the other ones. The other ones I got are like this big, and these are this big. So you guys, this is a great size. Is it DIY or is it storage? I don't know. It could be used for both. I'm gonna put that one back in there. I did pick up this guy. I have so many of these, like from the candles, right? But this one, you don't have to wait for the candle to go out. It's just right there. I don't know that I have seen this particular one before. So I did pick it up. I know that I can use it. And free newspaper. And then this was a new design for me as well. I picked up 3 of these. It's a basket, but it's got this great little like sweater kind of cording. And I just think that is so cute. So I picked up 3 of those. That will be for organizing. You already saw that. Now, my final bag is not a bag at all. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cute is that? It is so great. As I walked out, I was carrying it and I'm like, oh, I need more of these. I have never seen this one. They had it in this pink color, and they also had it in gray. So, all right, what do I have here? Okay, already time to start searching for Christmas. So I got these for the 2 little grands. That'll go in their stocking. And what else? I've got 2 things in here. Oh, yes. Look at this, you guys. How cute is this mug? I did only buy 1, but so cute. Now, as soon as I brought it out, I'm like, oh, I could do this, I could do that. There's so many things I could do with it, but I just bought this for hot chocolate. That's the only reason. But it's so cute. I paid, do you remember Princess House? For a set of 4, I paid like $35, and they were very similar to this. So you can get a set of 4 there for $4. So that style was new to me. And then this was also new to me. Look at this. What do you think? Have you seen this before? I have not seen this shape before. I thought it was really a nice shape. And so I got it. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I definitely know it won't just be a vase. So, you guys, that is everything that I got. What? Yeah, I think that's everything that yeah, I'm pretty sure. I wanted to say there was one more thing that I needed because I bought some like a little thing that I wanted to see if it fit in here. Oh, well, you don't need to worry about that. All right, beauties. I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. I totally like it. You guys, I spent a lot of money, so make sure you share this video so that I can make a few dollars back. All right, I look forward to your comments. Let me know what your favorite item is. What is my favorite item? I don't know. You know what? I was gonna say, but I think this one won out. I love this guy. It is so nice. And believe it or not, it reminds me of back in the 80s when I was just a teenager, a brand new teenager. We used to have these, and then we had shoes that matched with them. So, all right. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.